Amazing how I resolved my issue early on about Filmora. Man, I gotta do just a little bit, remembering how I set things up. Off I go. I don't use this one now. I got my other one, which I used for my Insta360 X4. I'm not taking with me today. Beautiful day it is. It's a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro day. Now, I changed back my auto white balance because I did a video and it was about how to take care of things of a product if it ever comes in damaged. And the auto white balance was like 35, 37. Didn't look too great. It was real sunny, but the sun wasn't shining on me. It was shining in the camera. That made it look different. So now, here on forward, 5400. Think I got it right. I had trouble seeing that small font. If they made it bigger, the yellow help, but bigger would definitely help out on a micro small font screen. Well, it took me some time to figure out the Wondershare Filmora 14, why they removed a very simple thing to minimize your screen and go ahead and work elsewhere. They wanted you to stay with Filmora. So the Windows plus D key closed everything down to a minimal, allow me to do my work. Not the Alt and Tab key that allows you to switch to different types of opening screens. That's what people were directing to. It is what it is? No. Damn if you do, damn if you don't. That's what happens when you update it with the firmware. To a firmware that hid the help, now hides the minimal. Well, I am heading down to the water. I'm gonna go see what it looks like. See if I can get some shots back in. I don't have my camera hooked onto the bike center stem. It's just on a tripod. And here we are, holding on to the clamp as we head into the park to the ocean. We'll see what it looks like. Looks like high tide because I see the buoy is floating. In the tree, cardinal, and he is red as can be. There's one in the distance you're not going to see. Just flew away. I like it when it's low tide. I could get out there. High tide? Not really. Traveling artists. I think I'm going to go a little further down and get on out. I was trying with a remote control for a camera that goes for your smartphone, and the one that for the X4. The one that went for the smartphone did show up, but the didn't show for the X4. Well, I really don't need to have a mini remote for 30 bucks, but man, that is sweet to have. Well, we are heading towards the beach and see what's over here. A little further down. All the way up ahead is where I was at. I'm all the way on the opposite side now. Well, I'm pushing my bike. I'll pedal on out and get on going. It is a beautiful day indeed for sure. At least you got to see what the ocean looks like from over here. I thought I was pedaling against the wind. Now I am. Well, Get on going, get on to need where we need to be at. I can't hear myself talk because of the traffic, but maybe you can hear me talking to you. I think I'm gonna head over here. Take my time, let the people get across. Then I can get up the hill. I made it across. Now I'm going up. Let's get to where we need to be at. Show you what it looks like. Okay. We'll cut on down. Don't mind the bumps. Let's get on going. Change the gears. Let's pick up some speed, which we're going downhill. Woohoo! We're flying now. I haven't gone this fast in a long time. Here we are. I made it down. Get a nice look at what it looks like over here. Let's take a look over here, what it looks like. Now, if you look right over here where that red house is at the end where that big cabin cruise is at, there used to be a houseboat there, no more. Yeah, place looked like it's out of business. We used to come here all the time. TJ Fridays. Doesn't look good, but the lights were on. Get some ice cream, Jordans, no more. Not like it used to be. Let's take a look at Jordan's Fisherman. I did a vlog over here. I did a shot, a scene back in the Aptec days. Yeah. Side attraction. Landmark. No more. I think I'm going to take a picture. I remember the days I would go to the supermarket and get the store brand ice cream and just enjoy it. I remember when I went into, you got it, Anaheim, and I went to a Baskin Robbins. It was like $5+ for a single scoop. Oh man, $5 got me a half a gallon to a gallon. I'll ride on down. Get on out of here. Get on go. I'll watch out for the little tree branch, the little potholes and bumps. Oh, now I'm filming. I'm not even sure if I was filming going down the hill or whatever it was on. Well, I had a good ride, a good bike ride, a good talk, a good chat, a good show, a good share. And on that note, time for me to get on going, go through Hobo Alley. Need anything, just come on down. Get on going. And on that note, I'm Fish. Catch you on the next one.